So, Apple's iOS 18 made headlines in 2024 with its revamped Siri, Apple Intelligence features, and OpenAI integration, sparking widespread discussion. As Apple continues rolling out updates, users are seeing these innovations take shape. But with iOS 18 settling in, attention is shifting to iOS 19 and what it could bring in 2025. While the stable release is still months away, leaks and speculation provide some insight. One of the most anticipated areas of improvement is Apple Intelligence. Apple's AI integration sets it apart, focusing on ecosystem-wide functionality rather than just standalone features. While iOS 18 introduced AI-powered tools, many remain unfinished. iOS 19 could refine these, enhancing automation, expanding contextual awareness, and improving third-party app integration. Apple dominates the smartphone market, but in the smartwatch space, competitors like Garmin and Fitbit challenge its lead. With iOS 18 and watchOS 11, users gained advanced fitness metrics, emergency alerts, and better performance tracking. iOS 19 is expected to push these further, integrating AI-driven insights and refining health monitoring. Keyboard functionality also saw a major shift in iOS 18 with the introduction of bilingual support, allowing the system to detect multiple languages automatically. iOS 19 could expand this to include more languages and potentially integrate real-time AI-powered translations. Given Apple Intelligence's capabilities, this could improve communication accuracy and contextual awareness across languages. Messaging is another area ripe for improvement. iOS 18 introduced RCS, rich communication services, but its implementation lacks end-to-end encryption and seamless media sharing. iOS 19 could address these limitations, enhancing security and improving the overall messaging experience between iPhone and Android users. Customization has also evolved, with iOS 18 offering more lock and home screen personalization. While still more limited than Android, Apple may introduce additional widgets and shortcuts in iOS 19 while maintaining its focus on privacy and security. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iOS 19? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.